Today we are doing first try these given on page number 53, chapter 2, class 7 maths NCERT. In this you can see three parts are given, and here it is divided by the power of 10, means 10, 100, 1000. So there are three parts, 235.4 divided by 10, 100 and 1000. Now let us find out. Now this is the solution of first try these. 235.4 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. तो जब भी हम डिवाइड करते हैं पावर ऑफ 10 से, तो जो डेसिमल होता है वो लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ जाता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द नंबर ऑफ ज़ीरोज़. अगर किसी में एक ज़ीरो है तो वो 1 डेसिमल जाएगा लेफ्ट साइड में, 1 जंप करेगा. तो इट इज़ डिवाइडेड बाय 10, दैट्स वाई दिस डेसिमल विल जंप 1 towards left. So it is 23.54. Now here you can see two zeros are there, so that's why it will take two jumps and reach on 22.354, and the last one it will take three jumps because it is divided by 1000. 1000 means three zeros. So 3 jumps, then 2.323, 0.2354. So in this way you can do this without dividing. So this is the short method to divide the numbers by the power of 10. Now this is second try these given on the same page number 53. 35.7 divided by 3 and 25.5 divided by 3. Now let us find out how we will divide these numbers by 3 one by one. Now this is the solution of second try these. 35.7 divided by 3. So here we will divide it properly. There is no short trick for doing this. Now 3 ones are 3, so here we will write 3. Then you can see 3 minus 3 0 हो गया. Then we will write next number, this is 5. 3 ones are 3 again, because 3 twos are 6, more हो जाता है इससे. Then remaining 2 and 27. It is after decimal, so we will take decimal. Then 27, then it is 9s. Now answer is 11.9. Now this is second part of the same try these. 25.5 divided by 3. So again we will divide it properly. Now you know that 3 8s are, it is 24. Then 1, it is 0.5, so point will be taken here and 5 will be taken here. So it is 5s. So it is, answer is 8.5. So in this way you are required to do this. Now this is third try these given on page number 53. 43.15 divided by 5 and 82.44 divided by 6. Now let us find out how we will divide these numbers. Now this is 43.15 divided by 5. So again we will divide it properly. Now you know that 5 8s are 40. So here we will take 40. Now 3 is left, and then by taking 1 we are required to take decimal because decimal chance is there. That's why Now 8 6 it is 30. 1 is left, then we will write this 5 and 3 that is 15. So you can see now it is solved. 8.63 is the correct answer for this. Now this is another question given on the same try these. 82.44 divided by 6. So here we will take 6 and then 82.44. Now first of all 6 ones are 6, then here 22, 6 threes are it is 18, then 4 is left. Here decimal chance, so we will put decimal here and take 4 again. Then 6 sevens are 42, so we will take 7. Here we will take 42. Now 2 is left and again 4. So 6 fours are it is 24. Now you can see it is reduced fully. So answer is 13.74. This is the correct answer for this. Now this is fourth try these given on page number 53. 15.5 divided by 15 divided by 5 and 126.35 divided by 7. Now let us find out both of these questions one by one. Now this is 15.5 divided by 5. First part, again we will divide. 5 threes are 15. Now decimal chance, so we will take decimal here. After that ये 15 तो पूरा कट हो चुका है यहाँ पे. 5 ones are it is 5. So answer is 3.1. Now this is second part of the same try these. Divide 126.35 by 7. So 7 ones are 7. It is 56. 7 eights are 56. Then decimal we will take. Then 3. Now here you can see 3 is not divisible by 7 because it is less. So we will take this 5 again, this 5 also, by taking a 0. Then 35 and this is 5s.